Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the rights you need. Sign in as an admin or use sudo, because many hidden programs hide behind restricted accounts. Once done, open Task Manager on Windows or Activity Monitor on Mac OS, or immediately run Task List or PSOX in a terminal to generate a full process list. Make sure to save the output to a file so you can compare later. This first sweep reveals obvious services and gives you data to analyze step by step. Now you dig into the middle work. Inspect each suspicious PID's path and parent process to understand why it's running. Use netstat or lsoft to see which processes hold network sockets. Once you correlate a PID with an external connection, investigate further. Verify file hashes and digital signatures and compare them to known good system binaries. If a process has no valid signer or an odd parent, suspend it and collect samples for deeper analysis. This stage separates benign demons from stealthy intruders. Finally, stop and quarantine confirmed malicious or unknown programs. Suspend the process, remove its startup entries, and block its network access. Make sure to clean persistence points like services, cron jobs, task scheduler tasks, and launch agents so it cannot restart. Reboot into safe mode or recovery and run another full scan to confirm removal. If removal fails, restore from backups or isolate the machine. Troubleshooting tip: if a process responds,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.